All right, with gold breaking record after record, pushing all-time highs, more and more people are starting to think about buying gold to help protect their assets against the threat of an oncoming recession, or even worse, a debt-driven currency crisis. Hey, if you've never bought gold before, you may be wondering how to buy gold or where to even buy gold from. Sorting through the numerous different companies, the different offers, the different coins, and figuring out what type of gold you want to buy can be a daunting task. But with over a decade of experience selling gold and silver, billions in precious metals sales, and thousands of 5-star reviews from our satisfied customers, Goldco has worked hard to make itself one of the best gold companies in the industry. I mean, just take a look at some of Goldco's accolades. They've got quite an impressive list. So if you're looking to buy precious metals like gold and silver to help protect what you've worked so hard to save, well, here are 5 reasons you should consider doing business with Goldco. And make sure you watch all the way to number 5. You're going to want to see that one, trust me. One of the biggest considerations when buying gold or silver is the quality of customer service that you'll receive. Many precious metals buyers spend tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it's paramount that they receive the best customer service possible. Goldco realizes that their customers are parting with their hard-earned savings in order to benefit from the potential safety and security that gold and silver might offer. And they treat their customers with the utmost respect, knowing that for many of them, the decision to purchase precious metals may be one of the most important decisions of their lifetime. From the first contact with potential customers, through the gold and silver IRA setup process, to the sale and transfer of metals, Goldco employees provide white glove service to their customers. With over a decade of experience in the precious metals sector, they take their reputation seriously and strive to uphold the high standards that their customers expect from us. Many people think that after they've bought their gold, that's all they have to worry about. But that isn't always the case. If you've bought gold with a gold IRA, for instance, presumably you'll want to sell that gold at some point. And in the interim, you'll want to get periodic updates on how much your gold IRA holdings are worth. Goldco works with gold IRA custodians to make sure that our customers' gold is properly stored and managed. And if you have questions about your account statement, Goldco has prepared materials to help you read your gold IRA account statement. When it comes time for you to sell your gold and take a distribution, Goldco can help you navigate that process. Between the time you buy and sell your gold, our customer care team works to address any questions or concerns you may have about your account. Goldco has grown to become one of the biggest gold IRA companies in the country and therefore can offer this kind of after-sale support. Their customer care support is just one of the many reasons their customers continue to choose Goldco. Let's say you're not happy with your gold purchase for some reason. Hey, it happens. That's why Goldco offers one of the strongest buyback guarantees in the business. As you consider if precious metals are the right way for you to help protect and diversify your retirement savings, you can decide with confidence, knowing that if your circumstances change in the future, Goldco offers a highest buyback price guarantee. They provide you with the best available precious metals and are proud to offer even more peace of mind with your purchase. How many other companies can offer that kind of guarantee? At Goldco, they prioritize the happiness and well-being of their customers, which is why they offer such a strong buyback guarantee. Even if you never use it, knowing that Goldco has your back can offer you peace of mind when you decide to make your gold purchase. With so many years of experience in the precious metals industry, Goldco has established relationships with mints, custodians, and bullion depositories around the country and around the world. They work directly with mints to source exclusive gold and silver coins, cutting out middlemen and ensuring a steady supply of gold and silver for their customers. They work with experienced custodians who understand the nuances of Gold IRAs and who offer Gold IRA custodial services so that our customers who choose to start Gold IRAs can do so with minimal difficulty. Plus, they offer their customers a range of storage options at bullion depositories that offer world-class security to make sure your precious metals remain safe and sound 24/7. These types of relationships don't normally happen overnight. They're the result of years of cultivation, of forging connections between their company, their customers, and the suppliers, custodians, and depositories that are so vital to ensuring the success of your Gold IRA. These relationships don't just benefit Goldco, they benefit the customers as well. When it comes to a gold or silver IRA, you'll also want to think about the reputation of the partners that you work with, their ability to work with you in the Gold IRA setup process, and where you're going to be going to store your gold. This is where working with experienced partners like Goldco can pay dividends. Goldco has helped thousands of customers over the years, both those opening Gold IRAs and those making direct cash purchases, and they're familiar with the gold and silver IRA process, the purchase process, and the potential pitfalls that can occur. They've seen just about every scenario that you can think of, which gives them the knowledge and expertise to help their customers navigate a process which is unfamiliar to them. All right, this is it. The final reason you should do business with Goldco. Here's what I call the icing on the cake when you team up with Goldco. With qualified orders, you can receive unlimited bonus silver. That's right, unlimited. That means the sky's the limit. You could get up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver, so if you buy or roll over $100,000 worth of precious metals, you'll get $10,000 in bonus silver. Let's say you do $200,000, that's $20,000. Here at Goldco, you get what is likely the best special offer in the game. If you know of a better one, we'd love to hear about it because we can't find one anywhere. Well, there you have it. As one of the biggest and most respected Gold IRA companies in the industry, Goldco continues to work hard to ensure that their customers receive the maximum benefit from the gold and silver that they purchase. Whether that's through a gold or silver IRA or through a direct cash purchase, if you want to learn more about Goldco, well, there are numerous ways to do it. They offer extensive amounts of free online resources that can help you learn more about the advantages of owning gold and silver, the benefits of a Gold IRA, and the various risks to your retirement savings. For instance, you can see and browse through their extensive video library on this very YouTube channel featuring me, of course, and their representatives are also available to talk to you about how Goldco IRAs work, how to qualify for their free silver offer, and explain their buyback guarantee. Once you understand how easy it is to start a Gold IRA, once you learn more about Goldco's range of IRA-eligible gold and silver products, I'm pretty sure you'll want to do business with them. So hey, don't wait any longer to help protect your savings with gold and silver. Call Goldco today to learn more about the many benefits of doing business with Goldco. Right now, they're offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help protect and diversify your savings. It'll get shipped directly to your doorstep, no hassle, no commitments. Simply click on the link below to get yours or give them a call today and learn more about their special unlimited bonus silver offer.